Now I'd love to get in right now and do a walk around of the actual pool, because this is the best time to shoot the pools, guys. Sometimes we get lucky and we get in there nice and early when they open, but this is what their main pool is going to look like. This is probably the #1 pool in the All-Star Resorts right here, just because of the theming and stuff. It's kind of cool. Right in the middle, you can see what it is. Right over here, you got the Calypso. And all these pools, guys, they're all about 4 foot. Some of them they'll have like a 5 foot, like you see in the middle right over on the right, 5 foot. So they'll go up to about 5, that's it. But this one's labeled. You got the Calypso on the other side. Now on the All-Star Sports, I don't know if you guys remember when you went through that one, they've got the surfboards. That's the Surfboard Bay Pool. Now that one doesn't say it anywhere. You kind of got to look at the signs to see that it's the Surfboard Bay. And in the background, you can see they've got the lines inside the pool. It's a nice shape to it, keeps you busy. We were over here last night doing some swimming, and it was cold out, guys. It actually cooled off last night, so we did a little swimming in the cold.